high winds still. You might see mountains, literally mountains of snow. High winds picking up from the last coverage. Kids are out there playing in the snow. They're probably going to soon, but beautiful day though. Winds cause damage to some properties. Shovel out there on your driveway. It's going to be lots and lots of snow coming down. It's going to continue through the day. So stay inside, stay warm. We would ask you to please stay off the roads. Snowplows are doing the jobs. Decks are covered in snow. This is ours from out here as it gets higher. I planted a ball.
Yeah, the ball.
Wait. There, somewhere. And I wanted to see if it would get covered. Well, surely enough, it got covered. It will continue maybe till about tomorrow, but it is supposed to stop today. Lots and lots of snow coming down still, maybe even about like up to Wednesday, maybe even Tuesday.
What are the travel conditions like?
Travel conditions are not good right now because lots of snow on the roads, and so you probably won't get too far. Flights are grounded, as I said, so you're most likely not going to be anywhere or getting anywhere. Our roads up here are literally covered. You really can't even see anything. Snowplows are still out there. Lots of heavy snow. The wind has picked up. It'll be a long time before the snow will stop. As I said, the snow will be off the road at least until Tuesday or Wednesday.
Do you think school will be open on Monday?
My guess would probably be no, because of all the snow. And right now, my school is most likely not going to be open because I can't even get out of my house. So, be careful out there. Stores are opened, but nobody's really going to be there. So, just because they're open doesn't mean you got to go. So, hopefully you guys are stocked up on some food. Enjoy the time while you're in, because it will be a very long time. Schools, again, are most likely to be closed on Monday, I guess till Wednesday, because lots of snow, very dangerous to drive out there. It is icy. Winds have picked up to about 42, 41, just about that. Snow will be moving off the ground because of the wind. The wind is very dangerous. Snow's very dangerous. Walking through it will be a tough thing. Driving through it will be tough.
What should people do to stay safe out there?
I would say don't drive on the roads because it is very snowy. don't drive on the roads. Also, because even if the roads are clear, there probably is some ice on the roads. Stay inside because it's very cold and windy and probably knock you off your feet. Possible. So lots of conditions that gotta stay safe, gotta stay inside where it's not snowing. It could have some damage to some properties, as I said the last coverage. This probably is one of the heaviest snows that we've gotten in a while. So it will be interesting to see how fast it will take to clear the roads, salt on the roads. So hopefully that will work. As I said, where I live is just crazy because so much snow. You can get down the driveway, but you won't be getting too far.